Hi, gang. Are you wondering what in the world? Why am I seeing another math class on my schedule? What's this I support math for? I'm already in enough math classes, right? I can't even pass the ones I'm in. Why would I be put in another one? Well, here's why. I'm Mrs. Arling, and you have been chosen to receive one-on-one math support from me. Did you hear that? I'm not going to give you any extra math to do. Nope. We're just going to go in together and work on the math classes or class that you are already in. And so we don't have to get on the camera. I don't love getting on the camera as much as you, but we are going to talk to each other. We're going to talk about your math. We're going to work on your math, and you're going to pass that math. So here's what you need to do. All my contact information is right there for you. You can reach out to me in several different ways. There's a link. You can sign up and choose the one-on-one time that works best for you. We're going to meet every week. And guess what? The students who work with me and do what I tell them to do always pass math. Did you hear that? Always pass math. And I want that to be you, and I know you want that to be you too, right? You want to get these math classes passed. So jump into that Google Docs, sign up for whatever time works best for you. Hurry up and do it because my times are going to go very, very quickly. Also, my email's there, my phone number's there. Reach out to me in any way that you want to. And so this class is just so you know how to get a hold of me and to remind you that help is here for you in math. Take advantage of it, right? Let's move on. Right? So let's get started right away. Can't wait to work with you. Bye.